My expectations for this year union budget is, one thing I'm looking forward is for a joint filing of spouses. So this will give an opportunity for the spouse who's earning less to offset his or her income and file jointly. This may really benefit a lot of families. Second thing what I'm looking at is some kind of benefit in housing loans. See, if you give some kind of leverage to women, like say for example, if women applies for a housing loan, she will get a benefit of this percentage. See, lesser. This will encourage the families to buy properties in women's name because of the leverage in the loan. And another thing which I'm looking at is opportunities for women, job opportunities, wherein now we have lot of AI and other thing, maybe some kind of subsidiaries given by the government for women entrepreneurs. Even if they're giving now, maybe more, or some special scheme for women with regards to credit cards. So basically, I feel the development of the nation can happen only if the women is empowered, and that can happen through budget. It can be a women-focused budget because the women is presenting the budget. Thank you.